So we're all pretty excited. We're getting prepped up for a major trade show in Las Vegas here in the next couple of days. We have Colisio here on the line as well,
Oh
and
yeah,
he does some pretty cool stuff. Colisio does the big billboards, billboard trucks, big billboard trucks, and big trucks in Las Vegas, right?
oh yeah,
So up until a couple of weeks ago, none of us had really played with AI for doing artwork, and we're all I can say we're all pretty blown away by Midjourney. Agreed, everybody?
yeah.
Hey, Rolly, you want to turn on camera, please?
No.
Everybody else who can turn on camera.
Yes.
So we're going to go through Midjourney, our own account here really fast, because this is what Rolly is doing. And I'm not trying to knock you how you were before, Rolly, but before the last bit of training in the last month, there was some considerations about how you do graphic design for advertising that nobody ever trained you on. Okay? And now you're getting trained and you're learning very quickly, and your skill set is moving up exponentially. And a big part of this is your ability to use artificial intelligence with Midjourney for doing some of the content creative. So scroll down a little bit and expand that whole page out so somebody can view this as watching this video, okay? Please expand out. Okay. So what do we do as our day job? We do digital signage. You know how hard it is, Felicio, to get a picture of a digital sign while it's running because of the brightness of the screen? I'm pretty sure you do. You want to
Yeah.
explain your challenge, right? How
I
challenging is it
mean,
for you?
yeah. I mean, especially if you're using white, it just kills the generator.
Yeah.
So if you're running an ad with a lot of white in it and you're trying to change around that ad, it can potentially blow the screens because it just kills the generator and causes
And
everything to kind of like mess up.
well, what I mean is, moreover, that really scroll up to the AI stuff you did on the trucks. Scroll up, keep going until you get to it, because I think your AI stuff in the trucks is probably up here, right? This is
Yeah.
actually where you started. This is going to blow your mind, Calicio. Check this out. Okay, there's some really good pictures.
Oh,
Definitely got
snap.
that. Keep going, keep going. Okay, keep going, keep going. That one's cool, but you actually did a better one than. No, I guess scroll down. Oh, yeah, no, keep going. I know it's in here somewhere. There's one of outdoor bright truck, or
Maybe
an LED truck. Yeah, maybe it was that last one. So sorry for the wait,
this
anybody
one.
watching this video, ripping through all this content. Creative. Okay, let's try that. Try that truck, just as an example. Oh, you know what I'm talking about, do you? Don't you, really? Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. But open that one up, just to show 'em. How
Uh,
difficult would it be for you to try to choreograph to get a representation of what an LED panel install would look like on the side of a long truck?
Like if you want to put up like a mock-up,
Yeah,
oh, actually, it would just we would just use one of our truck layouts, and depending on what we're doing, you know what I'm saying, like what our artwork is going on there. That's really all it takes, really.
I totally. It's that. Does Rolly have an outdoor LED truck? Rolly,
no,
do you have a camera to make this shot?
no.
You got it? It. So point is that Rolly in the Philippines, with a little bit of chatter back and forth with artificial intelligence, can make creative that matches or exceeds the. Go back up to that one because you're going to use that one for some of our stuff. Go back. Stop. You know the the one with the background, the orange. You know what I'm talking about. You're already putting it on one of our designs. There you go. With the seats on the left hand side.
I
Come
see.
on, there you go. Got it? Okay. So for us to try to get into one of the locations where we actually do have digital sign installs, right? Very, very big sign installs inside prominent lobbies. It's really hard to get somebody to do the pose shot, right? Of, oh, wow, look at this. And it's even harder to get the lighting with the brightness of the screens to come back like this. You want to double click on it so you can see this? Really? Thanks. Do you see where
I
I'm
have.
going here, Calicio?
Yeah, I'm seeing right now.
Uh, every graphic designer should learn this like yesterday.
Yeah, definitely. And
For
that
doing
makes it
product
really
placement.
easy for
Yeah,
product placement.
yeah. So the thing is I'm touchy about this because I'm like, you know, should we really be posting this up when this is a fake, a faux install? But at the same time, we really do these kind of installs. We just can't get the camera shots that
Right.
are, you know, they never look this good. You don't get the fade of the halo off of the lights. You don't get the background looking perfect. You know, you always get some person walking through when you try to take a picture. It's impossible. And now it's real, right? We can showcase,
Yeah.
here's the major picture, this is the concept, and then we can show and, you know, and get close-ups and stuff of actual locations. It just makes us look so much better in our marketing and our branding. Would you know that that was not an actual location?
No, I wouldn't know that. That's totally AI.
And scroll down a bit, really. So then Rolly started doing, well, I really need, you know, somebody to show off our product. Keep going. So
Right.
we started with, you know, different color palettes, but yeah, what he's really looking for is, you know, somebody pointing and smiling to the product to be placed on the back of the Facebook ads. So open one of those up. These are not people. They don't exist. There was no actress.
Yeah.
So you wrap your head around that for a second. How much is this going to change in real time, that whole industry? We don't need models for everything anymore. Modeling is going to get hit hard.
Yeah, I hear you.
It also commoditizes everything that if you're gifted in talking to AI and getting what you want and working with the client and crafting it so it's exactly what the client wants, you can work from a laptop in the middle of the beach in the Philippines. Right, Ari? Or Rolly?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So you're being specific all the way down to our brand standards because we've got the rocket, which is you know, colored yellowish orange. I'm partially colorblind, so I can't even tell, right? But I get it's within that scale. And so now you have these actresses pointing to our product.
Yeah.
I'm sorry to sound so blown away, everybody. This is, people need to learn how to do this, and we're now going to put these videos out onto social media to say, hey, come in and join us. We're not asking for anything. It's not, there's no catch. You know, all those, hey, come learn online training, spend $1,000, become expert or something. We have no time for that. Like we're a real active business that does digital signs around the world. We just want people to see this. I mean, think about the graphic designers that are going to be like, oh, wow. Any thoughts, Galicia?
You know what? The coolest thing about it is that you're able to, you know, basically go in there and just set up a scene, and it's like seamless without even having to think about it. I mean, I gotta pay for this Mid Journey app because there's some things I gotta do on it immediately, for real. So like, yeah. And I know Rolly and Arby are cool with me always messing with them when I need it, but I literally
Yeah.
need to pay for this Mid Journey app for myself so I can really get into it the way I need to. And that's
Well,
honest.
and what we're going to do every day is these little videos now with Launch Online is we're actually going to have them accompanied with whatever piece of tech we're using, right? And showing it off. But yeah, it's just, look at this. It's mind blowing. Ah, thank you. You found the ones we're actually looking for. Check this out.
Right. Wow, look at
Click
the
on the,
trucks, man.
isn't that a better representation? It's truly what you guys
Way
do.
better.
But now, yeah.
That's
So
pretty
you
freaking
want
cool, bro.
to, yeah. So we'll send these over to you, but we're also going to put these up onto our main website because we're going to do a bundled package that looks very representative. And you know, the end output is this, right?